Hi everyone, this is Pam from Crafty Kiwi Mama. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm doing something different. My kids and I are having a card making challenge. We are limited to only a certain material as shown here. We have a card base which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, a blue cardstock which is 4 by 5 1/4, a few clouds with different sizes, a small black cardstock which can be placed behind the biggest cloud for the eyes and mouth. We can also use the cutout eyes and mouth or a combination of the two. 2 ovals for blush and an elephant image. The clouds are from Fawn stitch cloud frames and outside and in stitch cloud stackables. And the image is from Mama Elephant Fly With Me. And this is the image that I will be using today. The supplies that we will be using are alcohol markers, adhesives, and a pair of scissors. I only show you the markers that I'm using today. Believe it or not, these markers are from Dollarama. For adhesive, we have a choice of liquid glue, foam squares, and double-sided tape, and a pair of scissors in case you need one. So let's get started. The first thing I will be doing is to color my image. I'm going to speed up and turn the music on while I color. Next, I'm working on the clouds. We don't need to use all the clouds, but I have decided to use all of them. Now that the image and the clouds are done, let's assemble the card. I will cut off the part of the clouds that hang over the card base. I couldn't decide if I want to pop up the elephant or not, but since I know I want to pop up the cloud, I will do it first and will decide on the elephant later. Still deciding on the elephant. And I then adhere 2 foam squares to pop up the element to see if I like it or not. Yes, I do. So I go ahead and adhere more foam squares. Cutting off the excess of the cloud, and here is my finished card. These are the pictures of my kids making the cards. These are the cards from my kids. Both of them are pretty similar. They are the landscape cards and have the biggest cloud on the top and the elephant at the bottom. This is the card from my daughter. She used alcohol markers for the elephant, the balloon, and the 2 clouds, but the pink may be too light and hard to see on camera. She makes this card unique by keeping the cloud overhang at the top of the card. This makes the card look like a shaped card. I also like that she gives some dimension to the cloud and also decorate the inside of the card by using the remaining clouds. This is the card from my son. He modifies the materials a little by cutting the blue cardstock smaller and round the top corners, as well as adding shadow to the word hi. He thinks the smaller cloud is too plain, and he writes happy birthday on it using a green gel pen. Here are the cards we made today. Hope you enjoy, have a great one, and see you next time.